The motorcycle's journey began in 1885 when Gottlieb Daimler built the first gasoline-powered two-wheeler, the Reitwagen. From steam experiments to mass production by Hildebrand and Wolfmüller, motorcycles quickly became symbols of speed and freedom. Over the decades, brands like Harley-Davidson, BMW, and Honda transformed them into powerful, stylish machines. Today, motorcycles are not just icons, they're one of the most widely used vehicles worldwide, carrying millions through city streets and open roads alike. And the story isn't over. The evolution of motorcycles continues, with electric innovation and futuristic designs shaping the road ahead.